In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify recovery code in just 5 minutes, ensuring that you can easily regain access to your account when needed. Losing access to your Shopify account can be stressful, but by having recovery codes at your disposal, navigating such challenges becomes remarkably simple. Let's delve into the steps to retrieve this crucial information. First, you will need to go to the Shopify website. If you're already familiar with Shopify, this will involve navigating to its home page, which is your gateway to all the functionality that Shopify offers. Once you're there, the next step is to log in to your Shopify admin panel using your credentials. This will typically require your email and password, granting you access to the wealth of tools and controls you have over your online store. After you're logged in, the focus shifts to the top right corner of your admin dashboard. Here, you'll see either your photograph, if you've uploaded one, or your initials. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. From these, you'll want to select Manage Account. This is where your account details and personal settings are located, serving as the hub for configuring your user settings and security preferences. With the Manage Account section open, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find an option labeled Security. This area is dedicated to the protection and safety measures of your account, so click on that to proceed. The Security section offers a variety of tools and features to keep your account safe, but today, we're focusing on finding your recovery codes. Once you're in the Security section, scroll down until you find the part labeled Recovery Codes. This is a crucial segment designed to help you regain access should you forget your password or lose access to your authentication method. Go ahead and click on View Codes. It's here that you'll find your list of recovery codes. Feel free to jot these down or store them in a secure place. Remember that these codes are like a spare key to your account, and safeguarding them is just as important as locking your digital doors. In this section, you also have a few more options available to you. If you ever feel the need to renew your set of codes for enhanced security, you can easily regenerate them. Additionally, for convenient storage, you might choose to download them or copy them for safekeeping. By following these steps, you ensure that your Shopify account remains secure and accessible under any circumstance. Remember, keeping these recovery codes secure is important, much like any other sensitive information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to manage your Shopify account with added confidence.